What's up guys, real quickly I'm going to show you my OBS settings. Now I don't have the best computer by any means. I run a GTX 970 graphics card as well as an AMD FX 8-core processor. So if you guys have lower end PCs, budget builds, hopefully my settings here can help you out. Now I'm not going to show you how to use OBS, how to install it, how scenes work or filters, anything like that. I'm purely just going to show you my settings. So don't get distracted by the matrix going on here, but let's go ahead and click on the settings down below, or you can click them in the top left. So first thing is general. Usually I don't touch anything in this category. I leave it as is. For stream, go ahead and input your streaming service. I use Twitch and put your stream key here. You can find that on your Twitch settings profile. For output, this is where you want to focus. Under encoder, I use NVENC H.264 as opposed to X264. If you know you have a more powerful graphics card than processor, this will allow you to have a smoother stream overall. The downside of the H.264 is that your quality will be a little less. However, it's worth it over a stuttery stream with X264. So you can leave these settings alone, just have this box checked here. For the rest of the settings, I'm going to refer to the actual Twitch website. This is stream.twitch.tv/encoding. Once you've decided which encoder to use, either NVENC or X264, this is the website you should refer to for the rest of your settings. Again, I will leave the links in the description. So I run my stream at 720p 60 FPS. For the rate control, I do CBR. This stands for constant bitrate, and this will allow your stream to maintain a constant frame rate throughout the stream. It won't go up or down, and it'll stay at a constant 60. Now for bitrate, I have mine set to 6000. Although this recommends 4500, I can get away with a higher value for a crisper image because of my high megabyte upload speed. So if you go into Google and you type in speed test, you can test your internet connection speeds. Your download doesn't matter so much, but your megabyte upload lets you determine what kind of bitrate you can run. So as a general rule, for 1 megabyte upload, you are allowed 1000 kilobyte bitrate. So as you can see here, my megabyte upload is very fast at 15 megabytes, which means theoretically I can go up to 15 megabytes here. However, you don't want to meet your absolute maximum limit because you would like room still for, other people to use your internet in the house. I use 6000 because it's the upper limit Twitch allows. You can see here at 1080 60 FPS, they recommend 6000. And that's also true here. So yeah, my bitrate is 6000. My keyframe intervals are 2. I'm not quite sure what this does, but this is what they recommend for literally every setting. Preset I have set to default. Profile I have set to main. Levels are auto. Everything else is pretty standard. Keyframes are 2 as recommended. Under recording, these are my settings. I won't go over them too much because that's not the focus of this video. One thing I will note is that the bitrate for recordings can be much higher value because it doesn't rely on internet connection speed. So I have mine set to 25,000. You guys go ahead and judge that for yourself. Audio, regular. Replay buffer, all the same. My audio is pretty standard. I just make sure that my microphone is under audio device 1 and I have the sample rate at 48 kilohertz. That's the upper limit for Twitch. Video I output to 720p, so I stream in 720p 60 FPS. Make sure you have that selected here. Bicubic is the downscale filter. I don't have any hotkeys. Here are my advanced properties. Processing normal. Everything else is standard here. 601 partial. Everything here is default. And yeah, that's it. So yeah, those are my OBS settings. Hopefully it helps somebody else out there. If you guys found this helpful, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps out. If you have any more questions or comments, leave them down below. If you'd like to see what my stream actually looks like live, we're on Twitch every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. The links will be in the description. But until then, we'll see you in the next one. Happy streaming, everybody. Peace.